Managing storage space on a Mac can be a real challenge. In this video, we'll compare two top tools, DaisyDisk and Disk Space Analyzer by Nectini, to see which offers more value and features for your needs. Let's take a closer look. DaisyDisk price, $9.99. A free trial is available. Download from the Mac App Store or the official website. DaisyDisk features a clean, modern interface that visualizes your storage using a circular, color-coded graph. Each segment represents a folder or file, and its size shows how much space it takes up. Clicking a segment drills down into subfolders and instantly shows what's using the most space. In the top right corner, you'll see a detailed list of contents for each folder, including file names and sizes. You can simply drag and drop any files or folders you want to remove into the collection area in the bottom left corner. You can review your selected files in the list before confirming deletion. Then click Delete to remove them all at once. Once you hit Delete, a 5-second timer starts and the files are permanently deleted. In trial mode, file deletion is disabled, but the app is still designed to give you full manual control over what would be removed. Pros: clear, intuitive visual interface. Quick file preview. Affordable one-time purchase. High star rating in the App Store. Cons: the Mac App Store version has limited features. You can't delete files in trial mode. Disk Space Analyzer price, $9.95. Free trial with all features included. Available on the Mac App Store and the Nectini website. Once you start a scan, you'll see your disk on the left, the sunburst graph in the center, and a breakdown of folders and files on the right. You can also choose to hide the sunburst graph if you prefer a simpler view. The right-hand column includes two tabs: Outline, which lists folder structures by size, and Biggest Files, which immediately shows the largest items on your drive. Hovering over any segment gives you key info, file name, size, and last modified date. You can click through to explore subfolders. But here's where Disk Space Analyzer stands out. It lets you move or copy files, not just delete them, giving you more flexibility. Another helpful feature is the ability to clear purgeable space. The app is Apple notarized and safe to use. Nectini is a trusted developer known for creating reliable Mac utilities. Pros: clean, sunburst-style interface. Full-featured free trial. Drag and drop to delete, move, or copy files. Biggest folders mode. Handles hidden and system files. Can clear purgeable space. Cons: the Mac App Store version has limited features. Both DaisyDisk and Disk Space Analyzer are excellent tools for visualizing and managing storage on your Mac. They offer intuitive interfaces, detailed file breakdowns, and the ability to review and delete items efficiently. However, Disk Space Analyzer goes a step further with added options.